This is Ace Marine out of Tyler Lake, testing out a customer's GP 1200R ski. Excellent ski, great power to weight ratio, runs excellent. Check it out. Here we go. Talk to anybody over at Ace, they'll help you out. It's an excellent ski.